Cue the cheesy puns for Valentine's Day, but do it in the most unexpected way ever with Valentine's fortune cookies. It's a special recipe from Camille Thomson. Great to have you, and so cute. So cute. How do you make these?
So the trick is the pattern batter. It's actually really easy. You just pipe the hearts right onto the batter, which I will show later, but you can get really creative with them, with the fortunes and all that.
Yeah,
and
I assume
really
you have fun with the messages that you can customize and tuck inside, right?
Yeah, so you can get all punny with like, you mean a fortune to me or something like that, but you can also like personalize them to your own relationship with inside jokes or something like that, so it's really fun.
Now, you said pattern dough oh so casually. I don't think I've ever been introduced to how to make pattern dough. Can you show us?
Yes. So the batter is really easy. It's just, you'll have all these ingredients in your kitchen already. It's flour, sugar, melted butter, and some egg whites.
Okay.
And for this recipe, what I do is, this is a tablespoon of a cookie scoop.
And you've made it a nice, pretty soft pink.
Yes, of course. And so you just put it right onto a greased baking pan.
Okay.
And then you kind of just spread it out into a circle.
Okay. Thin, thick, what are we going for?
Just about like 4 inches wide, but it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just kind of wing it.
And that's actually thinner than I thought as far as
yeah,
like,
it's really thin.
Okay.
So then I dyed some of the batter this red as well. So then what you do is you just put little dots all over the fortune cookie.
I like that electric red. That's fun. Okay,
then,
but we promised hearts, Camille. Where are the hearts?
I know. And then you take the toothpick.
There's more.
And all you do is you just drag the toothpick through the circle and it makes the heart.
Why did I just gasp so dramatically? That was sincere. Look at it. There is the heart, from polka dot to heart, right before our eyes.
So it's really easy. And then once you get all of yours all done, then you can put them in the oven and
How do you fold them? How do you shape them?
Okay. So we're hoping that these are ready to go.
There's some serious TV timing that we are praying, right, works out in our favor. How do they look?
We'll go with it.
Close enough? Are you sure? What are we looking for?
Maybe a tiny bit longer.
What are you looking for?
We
How
want
do you know?
the edges to be brown around the edges because, yeah, we don't want to get them off the thing and they
can't
crumble.
drip. They can't fall. Where have you served these? Do you host a Valentine's dinner or a Valentine's party?
I have never hosted a party, but they're just fun to give to your friends or your galentine or your Valentine.
Isn't it funny how that's
kids.
a thing now, Galentines? It's like on the list of people to celebrate. I love it. I totally love it. Neighbor gifts as well.
Yeah.
And I imagine you can do all sorts of applications, right?
Yeah, and like I said, they're just so fun. I've also seen them for different occasions where they kind of did like a tie-dye effect with a bunch of different colors of batter, and then you can kind of swirl it around and it's like a marbled fortune cookie.
I love it. I love it. Give us one more look. If we're not there, you can at least talk us through it.
I think we're good.
You think we're close?
Yeah.
Well, not quite brown, but we're going to be brave.
We can do it.
At least talk us through it. Talk us through the shaping process.
Okay, so we do want, so this one's probably the best one.
Oh, I do see the brown there that you were talking about. Okay.
So what you do is you just, it's not done.
The TV clock was not on our team today. So you scoop it up and then just kind of press and fold?
So you scoop it up and you make it into a taco shape.
Okay.
So like fold it into a taco, and then with the taco folded edge, you're just going to push it onto the edge of a bowl.
To give it a curve.
To give it the curve.
Okay, and fold your little note inside.
Yes. And I actually like to put the notes in after, just because when it's hot, it kind of like will steam onto the note and they'll kind of get like soggy.
Okay.
So once they're dry, I like to kind of just fold it up and slip it into one of the cracks of the fortune cookie.
Here's an idea. Let's pop those back in the oven after we part and say goodbye, and we'll post a tutorial on our Instagram linking people over to your website. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
And I understand you've done different applications with this patterned dough as well?
Yeah, so I've also made a patterned cake roll, and it's kind of the same idea, but the batter is a little bit thicker, and you can actually write the conversation hearts on it, so it's really fun.
So clever, and I love the personalized approach to treat making and baking. CamilleIM.com is where you go for this tutorial, and keep an eye on our Instagram later today. We'll show you the taco fold and the bowl roll and complete this fortune cookie project for Valentine's Day, and of course link you over to Camille's website as well.